Hello, here's my cool robot and all of the groupings. I've also put the pivot points in the proper place throughout the entire robot, all the fingers, all the knuckles, and didn't realize this, but underneath the legs there's these tiny little balls. I thought that this in the middle here would be more of instead of a metal, it would be kind of something that he could bend. So we left this. I left this. A lot of us left it alone so that it could actually, you know, we're gonna have to probably figure out like should I attach this to it? Because if he does do a rotate, he should be able to. I don't know, connect. Maybe connect this and this and this together. Anywho, on the top half up here, same thing. Just I haven't done any of the parents, also his head and all of his eyes, because I figured his eyes are more like a lens rather than, being able to move. I didn't pull him out of his socket there. The other thing that I learned here was that if you highlight something, you can also draw the ant box around other objects and add them as well. And that's what I did with the antennas, which this would be cool to have these little antennas go up and down just for fun. I noticed I pulled his head right off just to see if there was a ball in there, and there wasn't. So that's the video, and I grouped a lot of my cluster handles, and I left them hidden. You can light them up. I realized if you add, like I did with these lower legs, if you add one little tiny ball, you have to recenter the pivot or move the pivot all over again. And if the cluster's still there, it's cool because then you don't have to add the cluster. If it's hidden, like a lot of folks are hiding theirs, if it's hidden and it's not there, it's like harder to find.